Binance P2P merchants makes money regardless what is happening in the market. They don't care if say the bull are taking over or the bears are taking over. They are just there to make money. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about Binance P2P trading. I don't want you to go to any other video. This video alone will show you everything you need to do when it comes to Binance P2P trading. If say you are new here, this is the Betong Media and I'm the guy the Betong. Yeah, we talk about cryptocurrency, how you can build wealth with cryptocurrency, and also how you can promote and market your business if say you have one. Now, this is how the Binance P2P interface looks like. When you post an advertisement, it will appear either at the buy or at the sell interface of the Binance P2P platform. Here you can see the orders, you can see the Binance P2P user guide, you can see also more payments, method, post, new ad, my ad. Well, let's say you are coming here for the first time and you want to go to Binance P2P, right? So what you need to do is you can come to, buy crypto. You see like go to the menu, you see buy crypto. You can just come here, you see the different menus that are available here. You see everything, then you come to buy crypto, then you're gonna see Binance P2P at the bottom. So you click on it, it'll take you to the Binance P2P platform. So as I was saying, you have the buy and sell, you have the different cryptos that you're gonna be buying or selling, either USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, DAI, and Shiba. So these are the currencies that you are going to be trading on Binance P2P if say you become a merchant. And here we have the payment methods. All payment methods are here. We have Wise, Revolut, so many of them depending on which country you are living. And we have all the regions that are here. You can find all the regions here. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how you can go about this on the web. So let's say you come here for the first time and you want to, like this is your very first time, you should first of all download the Binance app and register to Binance. Once you have registered to Binance, you're going to verify your Binance account. And once you verify your Binance account, then it's going to be easier for you to get started with Binance. So if say you don't yet have a Binance account, then I'm going to recommend you use my link below this video to register to Binance and start trading P2P. Now let's just go so that I can show you first what you need to do, when you are here. Guys, before you even come here, you should go and check the different payment methods that are available here. We have SEPA, we have Revolut, we have TransferWise, we have all this. You need to go and check which one you are able to use with Binance P2P. Once you have done that, you download the app or you get registered to it, get an account number, everything. Once you have done that, then fine, you are good to get started with it. But guys, I want you to know that when you first register to Binance, you need at least you need to trade for at least 30 days before you are eligible to post an ad on Binance P2P. Again, I repeat, when you join Binance, register for the first time, you need at least 30 days before you can start trading Binance P2P. So you won't be able to post an ad during your first like 30 days. After that, then you'll be able to post an ad. Yeah. But let's say you want to post an ad. Yeah. When you come, I have different ads. Let me just go to, my ads. You're going to see my ads. Now, these are my ads on Binance P2P. You can see here, I have a buy and sell advertisement that I'm selling USDT. When you have USDT in your Binance account that you want to sell, right, you're going to come and post an ad here, the sell ad. And when you have money in your bank account that you want to buy crypto to come to your Binance account, then you're going to place a buy advertisement. And when you do place a buy advertisement, your ad will appear on the sell section of this interface. Place a sell order, it will appear on the buy section. You need to understand what I'm saying here. Again, I want to repeat this because this is important for you guys to know. When you are selling, it means you have crypto in your Binance app, either USDT or BTC, right? And when you're buying, it means you have money in your bank account and you want to buy crypto to be sent to your Binance app or Binance account. Now, guys, another thing you need to understand when it comes to Binance P2P is These guys here, they have placed an ad. They have placed their ads at different prices. So you need to understand the best price for you to sell or to buy, depending on how much margin you're gonna make, in terms of profit every day. I always love to go with 0.013 or 0.021, or 20, right? Margin. Because I always want to, make out some profit, like really cool profit when I'm trading. So let me just post an ad. For example, let me go to my ad and delete all this ad so I can place a new ad so that you guys can see exactly what I'm saying here. But before I go there, let me show you guys about payment method so you can see how you can post your payment method here. So here is are the different areas where you can come and put your payment method, right? You can see all the payment method here and come and add once you have decided to say, okay, this is the kind of account I want to use here, and come here to add payment. It will take you to different, payment like options. You see so many of them. Once you are done, you say I want to add this payment method. I'm just gonna click here. You're gonna take me there and ask me to, add the wallet ID, but I don't have this payment method. So I'm gonna cancel this note. I want to show you right now. I want to show you how you can post an ad here. But first of all, I'm gonna go to my ads and delete all my ads. So when I'm showing you, you'll be able to see exactly how you can post your ad here. Let me go here and delete all these. Let me cancel all these. So I'm gonna go and put a new one and, post a new ad here. So now I don't have any ad, guys. So I'm gonna post a new ad right now. And what I wanna do right now is to buy and sell USDT. First of all, I'm gonna place a sell order, then I'm gonna place a buy order. Now I want to sell. So you can see this interface here, post normal ad. Yeah, I wanna post a normal ad. And yeah, you can see the different like set type of price. I want to buy, I want to sell. Okay, I want to sell. I want to sell USDT to what price. Now, guys, let me show you also something. Before you post an ad, you need to come here and look at the different prices available in the market. So right now, I want to sell. And as I mentioned, when you place a sell advertisement, it's going to appear on the buy section. So I'm going to check here the different prices here and the different payment method. Let me choose Wise and check, okay, what merchant are selling here. Like this guy, the top guy is selling at 0.98, is yeah, he's selling at 0.987. And this guy, let me see, okay, if I go right down, I see that, okay, if say I have to place an ad here on Wise, then it might be difficult for me to make a sales instantly based on my margin. I wouldn't be able to make a good margin, right? So let me check Revolut, um or let me just check Wise. Yeah, Wise. Oh no, let me check SEPA. I was in Wise SEPA instant. Yeah, SEPA instant. I check SEPA instant. You're gonna see that, okay, if say I'm selling cryptocurrency, it will appear here at the buy order, and it means, okay, if say I put the ads at from 0.991 or 0.990, then I have a chance to make some awesome profit. So let me come to the sell section. If say I place a buy order, then I think I might put my price at 0.78, right? 0.9, sorry, 0.978. So this is where I want to see my buy order at 0.978. Guys, you don't have to rush to put your ad on top of here. You need to put your ad in a position where before the day is over, you'll be able to make at least 2 or 3 trades, right? Or three heavy trades, so that you don't want to rush and make this small profit, right? So because if say you keep on doing this small profit, at times the bank you are using might want to ask you question like, why are you receiving so much money like this? And you don't want to have them asking you questions every day, because if say you make so many transactions, the AI might block you like what Revolut always do. They can block you. So you want to avoid more transfer every day. Now I've seen all what I want to see. Let me come back here. What I want to do is, since I'm selling, right now, I'm gonna put my sell order to be at 0.91. Okay, 0.991. Let me go back here. 0.99. That's the amount I want to, sell my USDT. Someone who is buying. Let me continue. So this is against euro. So how much USDT I have available here? Okay, I have. No, I'm not gonna sell. Let me just put a little bit first. Let me just put 900. Okay, 900, and my minimum order is 200. 200 to um 200 to 2000. I lost to put 200 to 2000. So okay, I have available 900. Well, I have more than 900, but I just want to put 900 first. I don't always want to do a huge transaction because my bank can always ask questions. Now they're asking, select payment method. I'm going to add the payment method that I've already selected here. I have SEPA Instant. Okay, I'm going to put my SEPA Instant here. I've done that. Then I'm going to add also, I also love to add Wise. Wise, so this is Wise. I add Wise as well. Now I have all my payments, set. I'm going to go to the next. The terms and conditions are here. Make sure you include your terms and conditions here so that they understand how you want your transaction to be like, right? To me, I always say, I don't accept third party. No third party payment. Then I'm gonna come down here to like say no third party payment. It's the reason why you should do this. Don't just rush to sell to anyone or buy from anyone. It's because these guys, they might use your details to give to someone who they want to scam. Like scammers are available on this platform that they can use your payment details, send to someone they want to extort money from, and that person will pay the money to you, and they will expect you to release them crypto. So they are using you as their payments, solution, right? So you will have to be careful, when you are trading on Binance P2P. Don't accept third-party payment, regardless of what is going on. Always refuse third-party payment, right? And when you come down here, you're gonna see, okay, they want to ask you like the kind of people that you want to trade with. Right now, I'm a pro. I don't want to trade with anyone. I want to trade with people who have been trading like 10 trades. The one people who have been 5 trade, like they have been registered 10 days ago. Registered, let them know I want 30 days, 30 days. I want people who have been registered 30 days ago and holding more than 1 BTC. No, I don't want people who are holding more than 0.01 BTC. I want people who have been registered for more than 30 days. I don't want to trade with anyone, right? And boom, if say I'm ready, I'm gonna post my ad. So that's how you post, a sell order. This order will be available. I'm gonna go right now to show you guys that this order is available. So I'm gonna go to, that was a sell order, so it will appear on the buy section. So let me refresh this right now, so we can see my order. So this is my order here. You can see yes, a little bit tongue. So you can see this is it, and exactly what I mentioned to you guys. This is my payment method. Wise and SEPA Instant. Let me go now and post a buy order. I'm gonna go to post a new ad right now because I'm buying and selling. I'm gonna go to I am buying. Yeah, I'm buying. I have money that I want. I have money in my account that I want to buy USDT. So I am buying at what price? 0.978 as I saw last time 978 0.978. Okay, so that's the price I want to sell, and I have to continue right now. That how much USDT that I have right now. Let me just put I have like about 900 available. I think no 700. Yeah, 700 available, and yeah, asking my limit. My limit, I would love to put 400. You just put 500, 500 to put 2000. I always love to put 2000, and the payment method I want SEPA. Let me just go to Say SEPA instant, yes. I've added that one. On Wise, let me check Wise, Wise. Now I'm good to go. I have to, all I need to do is to go to next and, search, say no. Well, usually, guys, I don't care when it comes to me, selling my yogurts, right? Because those who are in, Binance, they want to sell their money, right? They want to, sell their USDT. So I don't care to put no third party here because I believe that they want to sell their, cryptocurrency. So I have money to buy that cryptocurrency from Binance, like from Binance, right? So I'm not scared if say third party in this case, but usually when it comes to the buy section, like you selling your cryptos, then you have to be careful when it comes to third party. Now I don't care about that, so let me just continue and still register 30 days. On 30 days, I don't want anyone to trade with anyone, and yeah, then I can go and post my ad. I want to show you guys my ad when it's done. Good, it is done. So let me go and show you right now. Let me choose separate instance so we can see my ad. I'm gonna go now to the sales section. Go to see my ad. So when you scroll right down, you see I put it at 78. I think I have to go again a little bit down to the next page before I will see my ad. Maybe it will be at the first page. Okay, this is it. You can see the past 30 days I've done 444 orders, and this is my order right now. So this is how you do it when it comes to the web. So if say you do everything right, then you are gonna be doing this full time, and you're gonna make awesome profit. And if you say you face challenges, trading Binance P2P, and reach out to me, comment below, and I'm gonna, answer questions that you have to help you throughout the process. I really want to help you to succeed in this crypto space. I'm all about helping you to make money. Yeah, I want to see people grow. I want to see people succeed. So if say you really want to succeed, successful in this crypto space, then I'm gonna recommend you subscribe to my platform right now and also like this content, share it with your friends. I'm gonna still create more videos about Binance P2P. So if say there's something you didn't understand and you want me to create videos about when it comes to Binance P2P, comments below and I'll do a video purposely for that. Until then, guys, bye bye.